I found the easiest way to lay track for your model railway, and I'm going to show you in this video. Hello and welcome to Milton's Model Railway. If you're new here, make sure to like and subscribe. Whilst this is the easiest way to lay track, you still need to be very careful and precise whilst doing it, as poorly laid track can cause your trains to derail. All you need is some track pins, a hammer, 3mm thick cork, and of course track. My layout is 00 gauge, so I use 3mm thick cork. But if you're modelling an N gauge, I recommend going for a 1 to 2mm thick cork. I use cork for two main reasons. Firstly, it really dampens the sounds of the trains compared to laying the track straight onto the wooden baseboard. Secondly, it helps create a ballast shoulder, which adds realism to your ballast when you get round to doing it. Starting at the end of the board with your first piece of track, you want to remove the fish plates from one end and line it up with the edge of the board. If you're carrying on from another board, like I am, make sure your track is straight and lines up with the piece of track on the other board. Try not to have a gap larger than 1mm between the two tracks, as this can cause the trains to derail. Once you're happy they're lined up, hammer in the first track pin into the first hole. Work your way along the piece of track, making sure you keep it straight. Once you're happy the track is straight, use the centre punch tool or anything similar to punch the track pins into the sleeper. To connect two bits of track together, you'll need to use fish plates. This is much easier as the two fish plates slide together easily. Again, make sure the two pieces of track are straight and hammer the track pins in. Then go over with the centre punch tool to hit them home. If your line finishes here, then use scissors or a crafting knife to snip the rest of the cork. Obviously, if you want to make your line longer, just carry on adding more track, connecting them with the fish plates. I hope this video helped and was easy to follow. If it was, please like and subscribe as it helps the channel tremendously.